I'm asking you, sister, are you done? Are you done trying to orchestrate everything on your own plan instead of God's plan? Are you done trying to control every narrative, idea, every direction that is not aligning with God? Are you done trying to be perfect in this imperfect world? I mean, it can be very exhausting. Believe me, trying to control everything, every little detail, every small detail can be extremely exhausting. You are not intended to be the conductor. You are intended to go with the melody that God has created for your life. Stop trying to control. Take your hands off the steering wheel. Jump into the passenger side. Allow God to jump back into the driver's side and allow Him to drive and navigate you through life. So, sister, stop working it out and start believing and trusting in God.